Today's video is going to be a 99-cent store haul, and some items are also from the Dollar Tree. I think like about 2 items are from the Dollar Tree. I will show you which ones they are, and I wanted to show you the haul as well as a Easter basket idea for my daughters that I have. Let me put up my bun over here. It's been a while since I've done my face kind of a videos, but I want to show you right now before my girls come in. So I'm going to show you the items I got from the Dollar Tree. First, you probably already seen them in another haul that I did prior to this video. I got these from there. These are going to be their Easter baskets. They had this. They also had one in green for boys, but I like these. And also from the Dollar Tree, I got these books, make a face kind of books, and then it's just like this. Look at it. It's literally like a big sheet of a picture, and then it has all the stickers for the faces. Look at, so you can have that, and then you'll stick your sticker. This one has more of like these kind of animals, and this one these other kind. I don't think they repeat. They might have, but I don't think they do. See, the little rabbit, and they have the sticker sheets for it. So that ones are from the Dollar Tree. Now these items are from the 99-cent store. So yeah, right there. I'm going to show you the eggs that I got. Look, I found this one, which is glittery, and this is 99 cents. I also got this one for 99 cents, which is only 4, and it's kind of like pastel colored dragons or dinosaurs. And I got your traditional colors like this. These were $1.49, and there are 18 pieces, but you got those fancy colors. Then you got your pastel colors. Now I saw one the same like this, which it only includes 18 pieces for $1.49, and this one was $1.49, and it has 30 pieces. It shows that they're stuck up like this, they're not closed. So you gotta check. I also saw a Easter baggie, which was the same thing, only one was 99 cents and the other one was $1.49, which was the same thing. I don't know what happened there. I was gonna get them, but at the end I didn't. Then we have this one. This is a little bit bigger. Look at this, a little bit bigger. Now these are 99 cents, and they're 8 pieces for your bigger candy. Then we have the mini ones. These are 24 pieces for 99 cents as well. These are the mini ones. So we have our huge, our medium, and our mini ones. 99 cents, 24 pieces. Then I also got these ones, which are bunnies. And these are 6 pieces for $1.29, but they're bunnies. I also got these for $1.99. I barely saw $1.99. Jesus Christ. And they're like ice cream cone eggs, and they're 8 as well. Then I got these ones, which are balls: soccer ball, basketball, baseball, and football. These are 99 cents store. 99 cents for 8 pieces. That one is not for the Easter hunt. That one's actually for something else, for a birthday. Okay, now, then I found this one. I think it was $1.49. This one, they're already jelly bean filled eggs, and then they have this little sticker thing. It's from Amos Candy, just like that. I find it convenient to have that. Then I got the bag of candies. This was $6.99, and it's 2 pounds of Kit Kat, Almond, Reese's, York, and Hershey's chocolates. I also got these Kinder Chocolate Mini Friends. It says it looks like it's little ladybugs. It's only chocolates and chocolates. Then I got these Easter buddies. They're bunnies. This is for their Easter basket. And I also got these two, which is the beluga, I think that's beluga, and a little flamingo. And then of course their lollipops inside. Chupa chupa. Cute. Then I got these Smarties candies at 99-cent store. Then I got these. These are for the Easter baskets. These were $3.99 and they're Barbie brand. You can see Barbie, and it's like color reveal, so whatever they get, it's like Barbie Lego kind of thing. So I got those for them. I also got these two candles, which are that I need. Hold on. These two candles that I needed. Then I also got these two candies, Yummy Push-Up Gummy Roll, watermelon and strawberry. These are for the Easter baskets. And then I also got these that I'm gonna go put on my brother's grave. Actually, these little bugs, a bee and like a butterfly. These were $2.49, as you can see, but I thought they were cute. Look at, they're metal, and hopefully they could stay in their little thing. Yeah, I got those there. Let me put this over here, because there are stuff. And I got these for 99 cents. It's Easter retractable pens. You can see the pen is there, and it looks like a little airplane. I thought it was cute. Then I got them one of each, $1.99. They're Easter bunny ears, and it has a little flower, so I thought it was cute, wasn't it? Yes, yes, yes. And I also got these for my nephew. It's a bank. It's like a piggy bank, but it's Spider-Man head. And look, it was $3.99, which I thought it was a good price. I was in a good ass price. Spider-Man ceramic bank, and it is marble. Look at that. Marble. I don't know if there was another price. I will look for it. You will see it here if it has another price somewhere else. But he's gonna have a birthday next month, May. So I thought this is cool. It's almost like as big as my hand. Look at this. It's very nice, huh? Yeah. So now I'm going to make their little Easter baskets for my girls, and you're gonna see it now. So let's turn around. So here we have their baskets. I'm gonna be putting their book on the back. Blocks surprise. Added some candies to the eggs, the other eggs. I'm gonna arrange it a little better so all the eggs fit, but basically that is what it will look, our Easter basket for this year. Hopefully you guys like this video. Go and run to your 99-cent store and find all these items. Easter is early this year, and but there's a lot of stuff still at the 99 99-cent store. If you haven't done so already, please click subscribe if you already did. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.